We do a lot of cosmetic dentistry here at Bentry Dental, and I've been very blessed to surround myself with very talented people. The hardest thing for us when we're doing cosmetic dentistry is when we have a single tooth. Because the tooth isn't the same color up at the gum line, at the body of the tooth, and on the incisal edge. So TMT is the best ceramist I've had in my entire career. And what she does for us is she comes in and she takes a little easel and paints the tooth. And then what's really great is then we give the patient a mirror, and this really does happen. We give the patient the mirror and they're looking and they're a little bit embarrassed. They're like, which one was it? We're like, wow, that's really great. But she really is a very talented artist, so we're blessed to have her work with us.